President Bola Tinubu, with due respect, sir, pardon MAZI NNAMDI KANU and call him for dialogue. Dialogue with him. Ask him what is the problem, the way you dialogue with other bandits, the way you seek for peace. I want to pass this strong message to President of Nigeria, President Bola Tinubu, the Chief in Commander in Armed Forces of Nigeria. President Bola Tinubu, you are the father of this nation. You are the Chief Security Officer of Nigeria. As a matter of fact, you are accountable to every single citizen of this country. I want to speak as regard to MAZI NNAMDI Kanu's case. Haven't a Federal High Court sentenced MAZI NNAMDI Kanu to life imprisonment? This is the time you, as a father of nation, to intervene. If you really want to make Ndi Igbo to be included in Nigerians, if you really want to show that Ndi Igbo people are Nigerian just like the way it has been, if you really want to restore peace in Southeast, if you really want to make Igbo people to feel sense of belonging again in this country, President Bola Tinubu, I'm making this video not to disrespect you or to insult you. I'm making this video with a peaceful conscience. I want you to pardon MAZI NNAMDI Kanu the way you pardon bandits, the way you pardon all these terrorists that are going with arms, killing people here and there, invading churches. MAZI NNAMDI Kanu has been speaking for the freedom of his people. He has never committed any crime. He has never committed a crime that leads to loss of life. But so many hoodlums, so many bad people are using his name to commit crime in Southeast. President Bola Tinubu, this is time to show Ndi Igbo that you love Igbo people as you love Yoruba and Hausa. Make Ndi Igbo people to feel sense of belonging by pardoning MAZI NNAMDI Kanu. Let it be written in the history, but it was President Bola Tinubu that released MAZI NNAMDI Kanu when he was in detention.